Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I am so happy to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing today for January 2019. Those of you who watch my channel more often, I'll let you know that I finished my exams yesterday, so that all went well, but it's nice to not be just totally consumed by exams. I actually received this on Friday. Yesterday was Saturday. So I put this aside knowing that I want to open it after I was all done, all of my tests and everything, as like a nice little reward to myself. So this is January's Boxycharm. Let's get into it. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm not gonna look at what's on the little thing because it will tell me, but the theme is boxy and chill, and it's very pastel colored this month. So, what is this? It's a spray bottle. Let's check this out. Okay, it is the Roserico Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I have something very much like this. Is it the same thing? No, because the one that I have is strengthening spray. So this is by Briogeo. I've been using that strengthening and conditioning spray because I really like it. So although this is a little bit repetitive of what I received, I really like their products, and I know I'm going to get good use out of this. So that is exciting. And these bottles, although they may look small, they last a really long time. Like the one that I've been using, I want to say for maybe 3 months now, it is like not even a quarter of the way done. Awesome. Okay. What do we got? I'm trying to feel around. There's a smaller box here that may be a lip product. Let's check this out. Ooh. Okay, so this is a rebranded Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Miami Fever. So they've changed from their old packaging to this new acrylic square packaging. I really like, and I think a lot of people like, the long-lasting liquid lipstick formula from Ofra. If you watched my 2018 favorites video, and I'll link that down below, one of my favorites, and I'm actually wearing it again today, is the Verona shade of their long-lasting lipstick. And this also seems to have, this looks a little pinker and redder, but it also looks like kind of that nice, like a deep, maybe nude kind of shades. I think it's more of a brown undertone, because I find that often goes very well with the eye looks that I do. Awesome, so I'm excited about that. 2 for 2 so far. Let us see here what we got. I feel like somebody mentioned this one, so I'm gonna take this out. Yes, so we have 2 Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks in here. Somebody messaged me about receiving these, or they left a comment on one of my videos, and I'm so sorry, I'm not remembering who it is at the moment, but mentioned that in one of my Mask With Me's that they had used this Tatcha mask, and I have only ever really used the Tatcha oil cleanser, but I love that oil cleanser. That is like my favorite oil cleanser that started me into trying to find more affordable oil cleansers because I loved it so much. I know some people really love Tatcha skincare, some don't as much, and it is really pricey, but I am excited about receiving these. So far, this box is like 3 for 3 stuff I am excited about and will use. Okay, so we've got some kind of palette thing. Oh, and then a pencil. So I'm gonna go for the pencil first. We have here, it's obviously a brow pencil because of the spoolie. This is from a company called BDB, Billion Dollar Brows Universal Brow Pencil. Okay, so it's a little twist up one, and it's very much just pencil shaped. It's not one of those like triangle things or anything. So I'm more than happy to give that a try. I desperately need to go get my brows waxed and my hair colored. It's been so crazy with school for the last well, first of all, Christmas holidays, then school for like the last month, that I've just not done the stuff that I need to get done to make myself feel as good as I would like to feel. So my brows need to be done, and then I am looking forward to testing this. Okay, brow products are not always my favorite. They're not as exciting as other stuff, but hey, it's a brand I've never heard of, so awesome. And then I think we have something that is a palette. Okay, Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. So I believe before we received the Volume 2 palette, is that correct? Okay, so yes, this one is different. I do find this may be different. It wasn't my favorite eyeshadow formula, these ones, but these are gorgeous palettes, like the gold and then this really beautiful, like it looks like mermaid scales on there. And let's see, I have no idea what color palette of this is. So again, it is very, very nude. Okay. Let me think, because before I start touching or swatching or anything, I'm looking at these colors and a lot of these feel very close to the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2. So I'm gonna decide whether or not I want to review this, or I may like keep it to give away, either in a giveaway or to possibly friends and family. So that's awesome. Now, I think this is really cool to receive. This has a really great value in it if you get Boxycharm. My only hesitation here is because I don't know that I would use it that much, and you know, it's gorgeous, so I want somebody who is going to get better use from it. But this is a really good box this month. I mean, you know, I'm really excited about those first 3 products. If I hadn't have tried one of these palettes already, I'd be super excited about this. And even as it is, this will make like a gorgeous gift for somebody. So this has been a really good box, like way to start the year out, Boxycharm. That is awesome. Totally gonna sneeze. Now that we have seen all the products, let's take a look at what the value is of these. Okay, the Briogeo Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray is a $12 value. That's actually really good. Briogeo is pretty pricey. If it wasn't for the price factor of them, I would probably buy a ton of their stuff to use as my hair care, but you know, when I can go to the store and buy like, you know, shampoo and conditioner for less than 10 bucks, it's hard to justify those higher prices, but that's actually a really good price for leave-in conditioner. The Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick is a $20 value. The Tarte palette is a $36 value. The Tatcha, yeah, the Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask 2-pack is $24, which, yeah, like they are pricey. And the Billion Dollar Brow Pencil is an $18 pencil. So we will take a look at that. So yeah, I am really happy with the box this month. I am so happy to get to be able to sit down and open this and feel nice and relaxed, and it's like a little present to myself. So thank you for joining me for this. If you received a different variation of your Boxycharm box, let me know in the comments down below. I try to respond to every comment that I get. I still need to catch up for over the last week or so, but I will. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye.